company, but he couldn't use the Oldsmobile name. So he used his initials, Ransom E. Olds, R-E-O. He built cars and trucks. This one went to New Jersey, that's a 33 Dodge. That's Texas. This one went to Australia.
Australia?
This one went to Germany. I did this one about 4 years ago. That's in Germany, this car. That's a 36 Chevy. My brother's Nomad in Texas. I had a business with him. My other brother in Ohio, George. And Cliff, my other brother. He's got a Nova and a truck. And this is our family in Texas.
I had to come and get a whole shot of everything.
Yeah, all this stuff. First place, second place, first, trophies.
Oh,
These are all the awards. Just some of the awards. I won with these cars.
oh man.
Oh yeah, I was building cars out there, man. Doing body off jobs on like a 59 automatic. Is it standard shift? I'm gonna convert it to an automatic, air conditioning. You know, change the tires, make them bigger tires. Maybe change her around in it. New carpet I'm gonna put in. Now this is a 36 Olds I just did last summer. I'm finishing up to sell this Oldsmobile. And it's got a V8 air conditioning, suicide doors, and abracadabra, electric windows.
Trick door.
Yeah. Electric windows, yeah. I gotta put the hood on yet. Power brakes, 4-wheel disc brakes all the way around. I got the hood over there, I just gotta put it on, but it runs and drives.
What year was that again?
This is a 36 Oldsmobile.
36.
And the way I do when I paint my paint jobs is this little stuff here. This is called oxygen settling. When you got settling going, there's a soot that comes up from the settling. Well, I dab that settling on there, then I clear coat over it. This is settling. See the little designs it makes? Of course, I smoke in the paint.
That's great.
Yeah, this is what I do. I've done so many cars. I can show you books and books. Well, that car, matter of fact, are you familiar with Eric Church, a country singer, or not?
Of who?
Eric Church, he's a country singer.
Yeah, I've heard of him.
He's driving that car that's up on the wall there. He's driving that in his video, Smoke a Little Smoke.
Oh, man.
He's driving that because when I was in Texas, I built that for my nephew. My nephew is a producer for Eric Church. And he borrowed my nephew's car and had it in one of his videos.
Man, Harold, you've had a life.
Yeah, I could show you books and books of cars I cut in half, put together.
Man,
I've done it all. I'm like those guys you see on TV. Like the Gas Monkey guy. One time I went down there before he was popular. He had a car for sale. You live in Dallas?
Thanks. I appreciate it. Yeah, when you ever get something.
Yeah, next week I'll have that 55 in here.